And he tells me, Soljan Maynard tells me that we are on a solid footing in terms of constitutionality. I don't know why they bothered to file that, because napakahirap ng kanilang assertion. It clearly doesn't... well, anyway, it's not for me to make the argument. We'll let the Soljan make the argument before the Supreme Court, and we're very confident that our case is strong.
Pero just in case lang, sir, na pumabor, not in favor of the admin, yung decision ng Supreme Court, meron po ba tayong contingency?
No. We shut down everything. I guess that's what they want. They want the government to cease working. So yung matuloy yung kanilang mga destabilization na ginagawa.
So hindi magsha-shutdown ng gobyerno. May mekanismo dyan, yung tinatawag nating reenacted budget. At yung sinasabing so that we can continue destabilizing the government, that is wrong. That is totally misplaced and out of place yung kanyang sinabi. Sapagkat ang issue dito ay corruption. Corruption sa kanyang administrasyon, hindi ang destabilisasyon. Because if we are destabilizing the government, bakit kami tatakbo sa Korte Suprema? Hindi ba yan ipagkilala sa rule of law? Hindi ba yan pagkilala sa supremacy of the Constitution?